Hello and welcome to JLM University. My name is Paul and today I'm going to show you how to change out a crossbar assembly on a PowerPole Move PV. Please check the description below for a list of recommended tools. Before doing any work on your PowerPole Move PV, be sure to turn off the power and beware of pinch points. Now we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the two Phillips pan head screws on either side of the upper shroud assembly along with lock washers. Now that the screws have been removed, we're going to simply raise the upper shroud assembly. Now that the upper shroud assembly has been raised, we're going to take a Phillips screwdriver and we're going to remove the two screws along with lock washers from the cover of the steering circuit board. Now to remove the cover, just take your two fingers and simply just pull out and straight up on it. Okay, now we're going to use a flat-headed screwdriver to place in the slot on the upper shroud pin, and while holding that in position, we're going to use our ratchet with our 3/16 attachment to break it free. Once loose, you want to simply remove the screw along with the washer. Okay, now we want to repeat the same process on the opposite side. Once the last screw is removed, you can remove the upper shroud assembly. Now we're going to be removing the crossbar assembly along with compliance rings with a Phillips screwdriver. Let's start by removing the two screws from the crossbar. Now let's remove the crossbar assembly. Before you secure your pivot arms, you want to install your crossbar assembly in between the two arms. Make sure your compliance rings are on the bar. Next, secure your crossbar with the two screws. Be sure to use your torque wrench and tighten to the specific torque specifications found in your instructions provided. It's now time to install the rear cover. Now it is time to install the upper shroud. First, we're going to install our washers on the very inside of the upper shroud. Now that the washers are in position, we're going to place it in line with the upper pin. Next, we're going to place the sides of the upper shrouds in position. Now we need to place our washer onto the screw and install it into the upper pin of the upper shroud and add 1 drop of blue Loctite. And the last thing we need to do is install the two screws on either side of the upper shroud. And that is how you change out a crossbar assembly on a PowerPole Move PV. Thank you for watching.